Welcome back to my channel Hackd Academia. As I promised in the last video, I'll show you how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox in best possible way. So this is the best possible way where I will download Windows 10 over file from the Microsoft website, which has 90-day evaluation period, which requires no licensing, only download the file and install in the VirtualBox. So we'll start our video. Before that, you have to watch this video till the end, then only you'll come to know how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. So I'll go to Chrome to download the file. Type Google, type Windows 10 virtual image. So you have to click in virtual machines, Windows as developer. This is the Microsoft website from where you can download Windows 10 over file. So they have provided multiple OA files, multiple machines on the basis of different virtualization platform. Like you can see VirtualBox, Vagrant, Hyper-V, VMware. So since we are going to install on VirtualBox, so you have to click on VirtualBox. So it is asking me to store the file. Since already I have downloaded in my machine, so I am not going to download it again. So you can see here, this is the file. This is zip file. We have to extract the file and we have to install this over machine. And before this, I just want to show the password. So password is capital P small a double S W 0 R D and exclamatory. So this is the by default password of this VM machine. So I'll go to VirtualBox. This is my VirtualBox. So click on tools and click on import. Click on this file icon. So before this installation, I'll show you how this file looks like. This is the file which we have downloaded, and also I have extracted over file from this file, which is uh, this file msh hyphen windows 10 dot over file. So this file has come from this zip file. So go to again uh, VirtualBox, go to file, select this over file, so open and continue. So by default, Windows requires 4 GB of memory. So I'll not change this setting. I'll go with the default setting. Click on import. So this is the step where it takes a lot of time, almost 10 minutes it takes. So you have to have some patience. So it is taking a lot of time. Meanwhile, guys, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel because I'm going to start a session on basic ethical hacking and penetration testing skills. I'll show you how to set up the lab, how to install, what are the tools are required, what are the machines are required to be installed. Already I have shown two machines, those are highly vulnerable, how to install in VirtualBox. You can refer installation of those machines, or also I'll show you in the upcoming video how to set up the lab. For that you have to subscribe the channel so that new videos will come to you. So guys, many of you might be very interested in uh, Kali Linux and Ubuntu. So I have made some videos on installation of Kali Linux and Ubuntu on VirtualBox. So you can refer those videos for installation. And if you find any challenge, you comment in the comment section. So I will try to resolve the issue. I'll try to comment on the comment section. And same, I will put the links of those videos in the description of this video, and also I will put download link in the description of this video, so you can simply click on the link and you can download Windows 10 over file. So guys, our machine is ready to boot. So I'll start here. I'll click on start. So again, this step will take 2-3 minutes. So you have to wait here also. And also guys, if you want any other video on which I should make videos, you can comment in the comment section. So I'll try to make videos on those topics also. So Windows is getting ready. Yeah, our machine is ready. So type the password. I have remembered the password. So capital P, small a, double S, small w, 0, small r, small d, exclamatory. Yeah. So after 90 days it will expire. So till 90 days, that means almost 3 months, you can use it without any problem. Guys, if you have liked the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you.